All right, it is always amazing to see what modern technology brings to the medical field, especially here in Arizona. And for one Valley teenager, it will literally allow him to stand a little taller.
Yeah, Heidi spent some time with him and the doctor, and she's going to share this story. Good morning.
Good morning. I love this story because it's literally giving this boy a second chance at a normal life. Let me give you a little bit of background on him. His name is Skylar. He's already undergone one back surgery for scoliosis, but it made his back too straight and left him unable to stand upright. 2 painful years later, he's ready to go under the knife again, this time under the skillful hands of Dr. Michael Chang.
Everybody looks at me and say, why is he leaning so forward?
From curious looks to excruciating pain, these past 2 years have been anything but easy for Skylar Skousen. That's because 2 years ago he had surgery to correct scoliosis, but ended up with a back that is too straight, making even everyday tasks difficult.
It's hard to get dressed in the morning and take a shower. It hurts.
That's where Dr. Michael Chang comes in. He's one of the most trained and capable spine surgeons in the world and will fix Skylar's back.
What we can do is we can cut the spine in half and then essentially reset his spine back to a more natural shape that it should be.
Yes, you heard that right.
What we can do is we can cut the spine in half.
Here's how it'll work.
The red part here represents the portion of the spine that we cut out in an attempt to reshape the spine.
Chang says this is the only way to fix the problem, wouldn't have been possible 10 years ago, and is about as risky as it gets.
On the spectrum of spine surgery, there's small, minimally invasive Band-Aid surgery that has very little risk associated with it, all the way up to surgeries like this. This is about as big as it gets.
So this is it, though? This is like the holy grail of back
This is the holy grail.
You know?
This is the holy grail.
Skylar won't regain any motion in his back, but he will stand up straighter, going from 7 feet tall to 7'1". But the biggest benefit will be in his newfound freedom. What are you most looking forward to after you're healed?
Lift weights mostly.
Yeah.
I really want to lift weights and get in shape, and because I haven't been in shape in 4 years, so.
His parents, although nervous for the surgery, are excited about the outcome.
I'll be crying. I'm almost to cry right now. I can't wait. I am so excited to have him stand up straight, and then everybody can look at him for his height and not that he's bent over.
I'm happy about that. I'll be tickled for him.
For letting us in on this. Skylar is in surgery as we speak today. It should take anywhere between 6 and 12 hours, and his recovery is going to take about 6 months. Now, Dr. Chang, by the way, will be featured on the show The Doctors next Wednesday for surgeries very similar to this one, and of course you can catch that right here on 3 TV.
Yeah, good for him.
Yes, it's wonderful.
It's phenomenal.
Yeah.
And Dr. Chang is so humble and he's just doing a great thing here.
You know, we featured him on a story a couple of years ago here on Good Morning Arizona, and so many people called him for back pain that he had a waiting list. I think he still does. And then that's how he started being featured on The Doctors.
I believe it. I believe it. He's phenomenal.
Just gives me chills. Thank you.